Welcome to the India Smart Grid Forum, a globally reputed think tank established by Government of India in 2011. Over the last decade, ISGF has been at the forefront of policy advocacy and technology demonstrations in the domains of energy transition, electric grid modernization, electric mobility, and digitalization of utilities. As in the past, during the last year, ISGF launched several groundbreaking initiatives that are reshaping India's electricity landscape. One such project is the Vehicle-to-Grid V2G demonstration, which demonstrated how surplus power on the grid during off-peak hours can be stored in the batteries of electric vehicles and released back to the grid during peak hours. Another first-of-its-kind solution ISGF has demonstrated is the option to charge EVs up with green electricity. Customers opting to charge their EVs with green electricity will receive a crypto token as the certificate of origin of the green electricity. And these tokens can be aggregated and used against emission offset targets or even traded on the carbon markets. ISGF has developed a National Registry of Solar Rooftop Systems, which was launched by Honorable Minister of Power, Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Manohar Lalji, during the Distribution Utility Meet in Lucknow on 14 November 2024. This registry provides a comprehensive mapping of every solar rooftop installation, linking each unit to respective distribution transformer, feeder and substation. This registry is being handed over to Central Electricity Authority and will be integrated with the new PM Surya Ghar Portal 2.0. The architecture of the registry is designed to include all the distributed energy resources connected to the grid in future. ISGF has recently undertaken a pioneering study and prepared an implementable roadmap for promotion of electric tractors in Maharashtra. By electrifying the agricultural sector, we aim to reduce the carbon footprint to achieve net zero and promote sustainable farming practices, as well as enhance farmer livelihoods. Maharashtra government has announced a subsidy of 1 lakh rupees each for the first 1,000 electric tractors this year. ISGF has successfully conducted 3 pilot demonstrations of peer-to-peer, P2P, trading of green energy from solar rooftops on blockchain platform, leading to formulation of new regulations promoting P2P trading, Delhi, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh. By empowering prosumers and consumers to directly trade renewable energy within their communities, ISGF is helping to build green energy ecosystem in India. Our latest pilot in Lucknow marks a major milestone. ISGF, in collaboration with our technology partners and UP Power Corporation, has developed the Digital Energy Grid based on Unified Energy Interface or UEI architecture, which has been under testing since July 2025. In this system, prosumers and consumers can seamlessly conduct P2P energy transactions on digital platforms with payments settled directly on UPI, and meter data of such P2P transactions are securely stored in a blockchain-based data trust layer. This initiative represents first demonstration of a digital energy grid, or the birth of energy internet in the world. ISGF has also undertaken a successful pilot demonstration of asset mapping of 22 kilovolt lines in Pune and Thane using drones and advanced artificial intelligence-powered tools. This project was funded under the Aspire program of FCDO, UK government. ISGF facilitated the formation of All India Discoms Association, AIDA, a not-for-profit society formed by the Discoms with support of Ministry of Power. AIDA was officially launched by the Honorable Minister of Power, Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Manohar Lalji, the Distribution Utility Meet in November 2024. In 2024, ISGF conducted flagship training programs. The first was a 3-day workshop on utility digitalization and performance improvement in Africa in Cape Town under the SMAP program of the World Bank, which brought together 70 plus senior utility professionals from over 30 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Continuing its global knowledge exchange, ISGF, in collaboration with the Smart Grid Association of Indonesia, also conducted a 2-day training program on smart grid technologies in September 2025. During the past year, ISGF has been leading large delegations of senior officials from India to several prestigious international events, including Distributech in the USA, the Asia Clean Energy Forum in Manila, and Enlit Asia in Bangkok in 2025. At the India Smart Grid Forum, we are developing innovative technological solutions that lay the foundation for a greener, smarter, and more sustainable energy systems.